Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you to our JMessenger presentation. My name is Josh Karras. I'll be telling you a little bit about our program that we have designed for you today, that we are proposing for your creation. The people also on our team are Eric Randall, Benjamin Greenway, and Michael Muir. At this time, we propose that a program that currently all communications for the company run on public servers, and this poses security risks to your company and a potential loss of profits. Also, proprietary code could be accessed and stolen in the event that someone hacks into your public servers that the Messenger program works on. Because it is a public server, if someone were to hack into any information on that server, they could also access the company's assets as well, and possibly steal in any important files. So what we propose is transferring all communications over to a private server and portal application. It will help to safeguard the future of the company against threats of people breaking into a public server. We have here also risk mitigation. Now, if any problem during the development process does come up, if it is one of these things that falls into these risk categories, these could possibly lengthen the time it will take to develop our program. Now, we hope this doesn't happen, but we know that it's a possibility, and we want you to know the expectations of changes or problems that could come up in the development of this program. Now, the scope of this program will be to produce a portal application that permits developers to create and share code over a private network. We will be using the conventions of the Java programming language from Oracle. And we guarantee and ensure that the quality and standards of this code will be held to the highest of standards of the coding industry. Now, we'd like to talk about our strategy with this program. We will be using a prototype-based methodology. We will start with our planning phase. The expectations will be set in this phase to analyze the system and hire our team. Once planning is finished, our other phases can begin. We will begin by programming, creating our assets, and going through a quality assurance phase. Once there's enough code, we will begin the graphic development part of this and creating those assets. We will also test it and get feedback on it to make sure that we are ensuring that we give you the highest of quality of product and make those adjustments as necessary. Each prototype will be compared against the highest quality of Java standards that are available to us. And we will repeat this process until the program is created. After this, we will deliver and train all employees on this program when we deliver it to you. This is the team that we are proposing that will take to creating this program. We will first hire a product manager, followed by a systems analyst and Java manager, which he will have underneath of him a Java code developer or 2 Java code developers. We also on the side will have a graphic designer, which will create our assets that we will need to make this program look extremely professional for your needs. Also, we will have a quality assurance engineer to make sure that every step of the process is followed and that quality stays very high. So when we hit the testing phase, that we will know what works and what doesn't so that we can deliver you a finished and quality product. These are the jobs descriptions that we are proposing. Our project manager will manage the rest of the team and keep everybody on or ahead of schedule. That's important to us. Our Java code developers with enough ability to code to the needs of the system. We want these guys to be proficient of what they're writing so that we can keep to that schedule. With our system analyst and developer, they will be working in conjunction with the project manager to make sure all necessary plans are ready for the system. At the time the graphic designer is needed, they will be needed to create graphics for the program and make sure that it looks very good and very quality. And then our quality assurance engineer will run quality checks and surveys throughout the development process to make sure that our prototypes are testing correctly. Now here's our game plan. At first, we'll hire a system analysis and Java code developer. At that time, we'll analyze the system and network requirements for the application. We believe that'll take approximately 10 days. After that time, we will hire the rest of the team required to develop the program. Now, developing the code for the portal application, we believe will take approximately 44 days. During that time, we will write the code, create the prototype, testing will begin, and continued development will run concurrent with testing. The program the portal application to test the systems will also take 34 days. This will also run concurrent with the developing of the code. At this time, also running concurrent with our development process and the portal application development, we'll have the graphics designer creating our graphic assets that will be incorporated into the program when needed, so that we can have a professional and quality program for you on delivery. And last, and very important, our quality assurance testing. We believe that'll take approximately 15 days. That does run concurrently with the developing of the code. We want to, the entire time, ensure that our developing standards is to the highest that it can be, so that at the end, you have a program that works exactly how you want it. We'll be testing the prototypes by our employees by using surveys and see what their feedback is, and then make changes to that feedback as needed. At the time that we believe that this program is ready for you to be delivered, we will bring it on site and implement it into your systems. We believe this will take approximately 5 days. From you, we require you at your company to have a private network and a server that we can put this onto. We will install that program on the network, and then we will train your employees the ins and outs of this program so that you can implement it and use it to the fullest of its capabilities. In summary, we propose to develop a manager program application as a private server app. Our risk management is to minimize development issues by focusing on planning and management. With our team, we will procure top employees in their field to ensure quality work is performed on the product. And our game plan is to develop, design, test, and deliver a quality product on time, for that's important to us. We appreciate your time, and thank you for choosing us.